Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get set up investing and trading on one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance. Now the first step is to navigate to www.binance.com and hit register in the top right corner. Now enter in your email address and a strong password, and if you have a referral code, you can enter that too. After selecting continue, you will have to confirm your email address. To do this, navigate to the email Binance sent and click the link in the email body. Congratulations, you now have an account on Binance. Now, back on the website, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication. Complete this step now. However, if you miss the prompt, you can navigate to your account page and enable it there. Now that your account is secured, it's time to make a deposit. To do this, select Funds and then Deposit Withdrawals. As a side note, in order to trade on Binance, you must have already acquired cryptocurrency. For example, it can't be purchased using, say, a credit card on Binance. Regardless, you will now search using the search bar for the supported currency you wish to transfer. Let's say, for an example, you wish to send Ethereum. Find Ethereum in the list and click Deposit. Now that you've found your wallet address, you can send your cryptocurrency to that address. However, ensure you only send that specific currency to that wallet address, as sending other coins may result in the loss of your deposit. In the future, if you wish to withdraw funds, simply select Withdrawal beside the currency you wish to withdraw. You can then enter the withdrawal address and the amount you wish to withdraw. Moving on, it's time for the fun part, trading. Navigate to the Binance homepage or the Exchange tab and select the market you wish to use. For instance, since we deposited Ethereum, we will select that market. So, let's say we wish to use our Ethereum to purchase Binance Coin. We would find the corresponding tickers in the Market tab. In our case, this would be BNB/ETH. We will then select it. Now, in the exchange, we're set up to trade. However, there is one last thing to note: the three different order types that we can make for both buying and selling. The first one is a limit order. This allows you to specify a specific price to buy or sell at, so any amount of the order will only be purchased or sold at that price or better. For instance, a buy limit order could only be executed at the limit price or lower. Next, a market order. This allows you to purchase or sell a certain amount at the current best market price. And finally, a stop limit order. This allows you to specify a price, and once that price is hit, a limit order will be automatically created. Finally, any open orders can be found in the window below, along with your 24-hour order history. However, all this and prior orders can be found if you select Orders in the top right. And that concludes my tutorial. You now know all you need to know to start trading on Binance. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. And have a good one.